So, don't be scared, Belle, because you don't scare with us. It's a baby bird. Hold it. Eee. Eee.
Luluy ko
Eee. Mami.
Dapat sa tilisa dito oh.
Baby Belle.
Puro naragkabangga. Wait, nagkanina na puro. Si Belle may tiyo. Belle. Luy ko yung show. Wag mo anak biyag, mama.
Hinog ako nakuha pa.
Ha?
Hinog.
Ikaw, Nico.
It's a baby bird. Give me your hand. Let's put in your hand.
No.
Don't be scared.
Can I put in the hand?
Sure. Wee.
Wow.
Don't throw it away, ah. Nabigyan ni Monique. Let's put you on the nest. You can have it because she is in the nest. Yay! Don't throw it away, ah.
Yes, don't throw it away.
It's the baby bird.
It's baby bird. No, it's not a baby bird. It's a mommy bird. It's a baby bird.
It's a baby because it's small. It is small. Ayun. Kuon, gabi-gabi. It's a baby bird.
Busing mo, nakalabay, tagsalog. Haman. Haman, salad. It's making. Oh! It's baby lupot. No.
Lubot.
This is mine.
Let's go. Give me the baby bird.
No.
It's a bad bird. Look, she bite me. Oh, she bite me. Look, oh, she bite me.
Pwede siya madlo.
Just kidding. It's a baby bird. Wait, sa. Now, what like this? I hold like this.
Okay. Lagi tuloy sa dito na pura yung puha.
Ano, oh.
Wala ka nakigmang. Ate, never ending fun.
Ayoko ang bird. Lingos siya.
Never ending fun.
Dili lagi daw siya pahikan. Ay, lagoy ka kiss. Agay akong tutoy. Mga bak, makagtutoy. Balusan.
Wow, labi mo.
I need to hold because that's mine.
Bye-bye. Oh, lakan kita na no. Wala. Tuwa pa yun.
Bye.
Come,
Let's go. Come. Ay, no, bye-bye. No. Di, ito sana dito. Come. Come, Belle.
Don't lock it.
Masamad ka, Ben. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Belle.
Actually, Lisa, just